Kicharan video. I finished watching the video of the issue with the false testimony of this sister who went to give testimony. And I was looking out for explanation. Because all this, when you see me struggling to put mouth in Zion things, is because Zion is not a tree that you can overlook. Number two, so all of us are interested, and it is a research can they make a matter really what is going on there. I will come out and announce personally. I won't advise any of my followers to quit Zion. Make advice, but he just say, don't come to me. That's the thing. But it has not gotten to that. But I can tell you that it can come to that confidently and boldly. And when if anybody wants to get to the heavens and pierce the sky, everybody, all of us are here on earth. And as long as I'm concerned, the Bible says that no one is an exception. All of us are servants of God. So when we write, so we watch one another's back because we have a correlation. So stay on your own. Don't talk. So we do what you want to do, but I will always come out to say this. I expected a kind of clarification. That is very simple. But jumping from the fact that a woman gave false testimony, bagam, to the fact that the two priests are sponsoring people. He knows of two priests, that there's no connection. I didn't get it. So when the update was made on our page by our media team, some people started talking. They went to the extent of, calling I don't know who called my younger brother to warn me and all that. People were writing and saying all kinds of things. So I want to ask a question. Whom do you think that can pull Ebuka Obi down? No amount of hatred of anybody. No amount. The only thing that can stop Ebuka Obi is if God decides to stop him. Or if he himself, not even his workers. Because people have come to believe there is an anointing that you will have. Or there is a kind of emotion that will be in the ministry. Not even the scandal. Okay. No amount of scandal. People say it and it's real. That lady that they used to do RNG, she will stretch her hands. People like Chris Okafor in Abuja and all the pastors that use her to do RNG miracle. When that RNG busted, their ministry even multiplied more. So even in the day, I presume there is no personality in the crowd. There is no personality in the crowd. I know that who is who. Any reasonable person must be irritated by this type of news. It should not be said in the house of God. Now somebody be, why would this person come to give testimony? Why? If you see the words the lady were using, not about final bus stop, that was not a testimony, that was an advert. And with the way Ebuka Obi responded, if it is in exam, he got not. If it is in the law court, all the commanded message against you with the fact, with the point, and see you lose the point. Use your brain, because you are the only one that can pull yourself down. No, none of us. If I hate you now, it's in my pocket. The bitterness will eat me up. So I'm the only one that tells Zion an objective truth, because I wish them well. Because actually they don't block me, If Zion was to block me, no, you block my ordination. But I'm a priest of God. I don't have any issue. So why would I say I'm jealous in Zion? Even if 10,000 of me jealous Zion today, it can't stop him. The only thing that can stop him is the reaction to criticisms, reactions to his enemies, reaction. If you're not saying the father boy, now sponsor people, he's belittling yourself. Tackle that problem. Somebody came and gave false testimony. He gave me we say, please, we are just let ourselves. We disassociate with this. We did it. He tricked us. He brought this video and gave to the media team. Don't worry, we shall look into it. Then you secretly use your this. Then you find out who your real enemies are. And instead of just making such statements, I don't know your same banquet. Some people will think it's me, Father Nona East. Yes, I'm from the East. And I'm into the ministry. Equal, you know of 2 priests. You are indirectly indicting all the priests, including the ones that love you, that you don't know. There are many priests that love you. Okay. So those of you who are saying, I had the quack in jealousy, stop deceiving yourself. You don't want to carry such a thing. Jealousy, jealousy, ministry may grow or ministry diminish. So there is no such a thing as jealousy. Everything is that Zion should be careful that the eyes of the world is on you. You may testimony, but don't do the one that infringe on people. And when something like this come up, the best thing is to find out a legal advisor who will write up something and publish a disclaimer. If you anything, anybody get made, you go to and then anything anybody can do about it. That is it. When anything, stop defending yourself. You are too small to defend this massive movement. You are too small. Stop oversizing your importance. And if God raises you, let your confession be, the honor you have, you just defend the way you spoil it. People like Brachi will never and criticize it. Father Manuel will be my because Nevido Mark, Father Bemonso, Nevido man criticize it for me. I want people to criticize the people of mine, Brother Chibo of God's Agenda Production. Nevido Kimana Mekutekwari. Get a money get see, Macham Mitla, na call, if you're not the Buffan Kitty, Faku Vifaneku. Man Kitty. So the update my media team there in the morning. People now say we delete and may delete them again. Now my water name with this one. Obuna Niane Mena Zion Aduro or Edohumania Ufumbosono Gapta Amdasiono Akama Josukuya Oene Jenya Jebel's own. And only a Tanya Bana and Kim. And no Marian men they believe in Zion. Do it to me because me I don't believe in it. But for now, I believe in that. Ndom Jesus be na baso ozioma ye banye na idea so no me if more believe na ibu abo de man ikoku chukwu di ikpele for now. Judgment I don't know mama can only the perfect. You know, so maybe many reasons to come out. So on I try to find out so that I justify my conscience in my keeping quiet. Because I keep quiet, I did not come out boldly to condemn Zion. For those of you not seeing no pretense, I know they fear any human being. Any day in the Kataranya, do convinced through science, be convinced through science that na monso Abraham or name will Yakabarani here, but you know Charimo name. Yes, that is me. You know Charimo name because definitely one thing must happen. So this is a danger and be careful. Don't take up battle with Mbaka. If you want to succeed in this ministry, you must have a spiritual father that everybody knows. And then in adoration, your ministry might be bigger than the one of your father, man. Now you know me here. You only may have verse. You wanna play JJ. No, and the man fully. Borrow your friends, borrow your children. J no one canopy. Jaren na you harvest. That's how a borrow Nini did in Baka. We just see Ebuka Obi as spiritually qualified. If a pusier, happens here, and not wasn't up on a phone. No. In a seen a monster with your spiritual father. How many times have you gone to Jera adoration? You're a Catholic. You're supposed to be attending their masses. Don't be too busy your own. Catholic. Don't be eating mouth. That's my own. So that our conscience are free. Because na ndị mmụọ ya atagbukwa mmadụ na Zion members all those things. If the God of Israel is not with you, you are just kidding and fooling yourself. But if he's with you, no one can bring you down. So stop defending yourself. The only check around there not to fear. Don't be too erratic in Jakanabo. No, check it's all your dignity. No. That's not the way. So let everybody calm down and be careful. Now this no casino when they intimidate. Be careful. Be careful. The testimony. So people should explain what is going on. Every day, Zion. And look at the words that were used during the prophecy. They play the video. Bogida had the lady. You see, Bugide Kuche, and the lady at the Mecha. You see, people arrange. They have the right to say that it is your duty to explain what is going on. And if it is arranged, you are just fooling yourself because when you see, just rubbish. When you see, there's nothing. The only reason that can justify that, Chineke in meaning everything, stop all this now. So so that for those of you that say stop saying it. So as long as God lives, I will continue to prophesy and speak when it is needed for me to speak. That's why I'm on the media. God bless you.